Hi, this is Satish here from MotoFocusz. Now we have a 2017 Audi A3 for DRL replacement, projector replacement, and module replacement. And most of the LEDs in premium cars like A3, A4, A6 have the common complaint, the DRL complaint. Two issues: one is like the DRL acrylic failure, another one is the module failure. So in this car, we are facing both the problems, and stock light is inadequate. Customer try to replace LEDs, HIDs, everything in stock projectors, but nothing works out. So what we have recommended to upgrade the stock projectors to better performance projectors and replace along with the HIDs. So for this car, we recommended HID projectors since their requirement is on a warmer temperature. So most of the bi-LEDs are very strong and very white in temperature. He is looking for something in a warmer temperature. So we recommended Hella G5 BRT along with 5500 Kelvin projectors. So we have replaced all these three items. Come, let us go and check how it is aesthetically changed the output of the car and also how it enhances after changing the DRL. Thank you.